Okay, we're going back up to the bus area. Some people are going to look for pearls or try to buy some maybe.
Yeah, the bus is in front of the pearl store.
It's very nice up here. So shade here a little bit, but back out here, look at all that. Oh yeah, you can see. Coming back to the ship, all these pillars here, but I have to walk up here. I can't walk over there. And there's a ship up there. Yeah. The old Resolution there. Yeah. I'm gonna have lunch now. Kids a little hungry. Had a little shower this morning, but I was inside at the time. So it was pretty good. Just a little walkabout this afternoon here.
If you want to know what something is, as best we can, I'll try to answer.
You want some Spam? It's right around the corner. There it is. All right. Get with the rest of the group here. Some flowers. So we got some stores around here. What kind of ivy growing up there? Look pretty rusty to me here, like they haven't been driven in a long time.
Well, that's what I was wondering. Like this tire is flat, I can tell, but the other one.
These
bicycles are pretty fair game here.
Got some
Probably in the evening.
luncheon specials there, down by where we did the glass bottom boat. Yeah. Your big bottles. Maria, look at those big bottles over there. They're pretty big. You got some more specials going on over here. There you go.
Gift shops, stop and go in. We can see what they have to offer.
Tourists or tourism disaster prevention. It says, yeah, right here. That's where we're at right now. All right. A&W right there. That's your Family Mart, aka your local Wawa. Got the shake place over there. Yeah, just walking downtown here. Yeah, Ishigaki, I think is the town. I'm lost here with all these places. Yeah. Ishigaki is the town here, I think. Well, 7:30 sign. That's when they changed over to the left side of the road. We got some kind of ice cream here coming out. I don't know what it is there, but we'll have to see. It's another market here.
It's an interesting contrast.
No smoking, right? But people do photography.
Oftentimes I'll work real fast.